Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer backlogs from Jira to Azure DevOps, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Jira account. Navigate to the project that contains the backlogs you wish to transfer. Select the issues or backlog items you want to export. Utilize the Jira filters to narrow down the selection if necessary. Once you have selected the items, click on the Export option. Choose the format that best suits your needs, such as CSV or JSON. Download the exported file to your local device. Next, open your Azure DevOps account. Select the project you want to import the backlogs into. Navigate to the Boards section in Azure DevOps. Click on Work Items to access the Work Item Tracking feature. Locate and click on the Import Work Items option. Upload the file you exported from Jira. Map the fields from the Jira export to the appropriate fields in Azure DevOps. Ensure that all necessary fields are matched correctly, including titles and descriptions. Review the import settings to confirm everything is set up as intended. Proceed with the import process, which may take some time depending on the number of items. Once the import is complete, verify that all work items appear correctly in Azure DevOps. Check for any discrepancies in fields or data. Address any issues found during the verification phase. Utilize Azure DevOps tools to further organize and refine your backlogs as needed. Your Jira backlog should now be successfully transferred to Azure DevOps. Use this opportunity to familiarize yourself with the Azure DevOps interface. Consider using the available features to enhance your project management processes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.